One of the main reasons to shoot film in this day and age is to slow down a little bit. On the Canon R3 I have here, look how crazy I can go. The start of 2025, I started shooting with the Canon R3. Such a great camera for all types of work, corporate, weddings, portraits, sports. But lately I've been carrying around a 35mm film camera. This is the Olympus Stylus. This was the camera my dad came to America with back in early 2000. And then recently I have newer version of the Olympus Stylus. This one, actually, you're able to zoom with it ahead of its time for when this came out. This one functions perfectly. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of the images I've taken on this recently.
The photos you're seeing now was from a wedding I recently went to as a guest. And of course I had to bring a camera, but obviously I didn't want to take over the job of the main photographer. So I brought the 35mm Olympus and 5 rolls of film. Each roll gives me about 36 exposure. So 5 rolls, that is a total of 180. 180 exposure for the entire day. So every shot has to be a little bit more thoughtful than the next. In 2025, where everything's instant, but films slows you down. Every frame costs something, so every frame matters. It's not about nostalgia, it's about intention, patience, and remembering why we fell in love with capturing moments in the first place.